Welcome back to another Titan Fuel Tanks video install. Today we'll be highlighting some tips and tricks of installing our SideKick 5040015 tank. Find where the tank fits best for your application. It works in the front or the rear of most beds. Set the tank into your chosen position, and starting with the large end of the tank, position the bracket and mark the mounting holes using a marking pen. Use self-tapping screws and mount this bracket. Set the foot bracket in place at the bottom of the large section of the tank and mark the holes with a marker. Be certain the tank will be tight in the mounting brackets. Use self-tapping screws and mount the second bracket. Some vehicles may require the mounting bracket 9900026 to raise the tank for all mounting brackets to function properly. Find which bolt will be the proper length to support the foot over the wheel well and install properly. Adjust wheel well foot support bracket so tank is level or has a slight incline from the small end of the tank to the large end of the tank. Our supplied siphon shaker hose works best when shaken up and down in quick, short strokes. Once siphon is started, no need to continue shaking. Thanks for joining us for another highlight tips and tricks video, and we'll see you out on the road.